Homa Janilu, here I am Tapatashima Pramlang Shipi Mar Piral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today, let's learn Bishnupriya Manipuri within seconds. The first sentence is, when will you come? When means kumbhaka, will you come? You means ti, come means ahani. So it will be, when will you come? Ti kumbhaka ahite. The next sentence is, when will you go? When means kumbhaka, we means ami, go means jana. So it will be, when will we go? Ami kumbhaka jitangaiga. I repeat, ami kumbhaka jitangaiga. The next sentence is, when will you open your shop? When means kumbhaka, you means ti, open means mukeite or angkorte, your means store, shop means dukanko. So it will be, when will you open your shop? Ti kumbhaka tor dukan go mukeite or ti kumbhaka tor dukan go angkorte. Both are correct. Is it tough to learn Bishnupriya Manipuri? Not at all. So learn Bishnupriya Manipuri. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Dhanabad. Meet you again. Namaskar.